Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Toyota Corolla. First, always prioritize safety by finding a very large, empty, and private space, free from any obstacles or other vehicles. Before you begin, ensure your car is in excellent mechanical condition, especially checking your tires, brakes, and all fluid levels. Familiarize yourself with your Corolla's basic handling at slow speeds to build confidence. To initiate a controlled slide, approach a wide turn at a low, consistent speed, perhaps 20 to 30 miles per hour. As you enter the turn, make a sharp steering input to shift the car's weight. Then, briefly and gently pull the handbrake to momentarily lock the rear wheels, causing the back of the car to swing out. Remember to release the handbrake almost immediately once the slide begins. Once the slide begins, you must react quickly by countersteering in the direction the rear of the car is sliding. This is crucial for maintaining control. Use subtle throttle inputs to either increase or decrease the slide angle, finding a delicate balance. Keep your eyes focused on where you want the car to go, looking through the turn, rather than directly at the front of your vehicle. Continuous small adjustments are key. To exit the slide, smoothly reduce your throttle input and gently unwind the steering wheel, allowing the car to straighten out and regain full traction. The key is to be smooth and deliberate with your inputs. Remember, mastering this technique takes significant practice. Always begin with very low speeds and minimal inputs, gradually building your confidence and skill in a safe, controlled environment. Safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.